In this video we'll highlight our favorites product. We will show you the specifications and benefits of the product.
The Dyson Humidifier is hygienic. It kills bacteria before releasing any mist. Using Ultraviolet Cleanse technology, it exposes every drop of water to a UVC light. The water runs along the length of the bulb to ensure that 99.9% of bacteria in the water is killed. The piezo vibrates gently at first to mix the water in the chamber. After the bacteria is killed, it increases the vibrations to create a fine ultrasonic mist, which is then drawn up into the Air Multiplier loop, where it is projected quickly, quietly, and evenly throughout the room. The Dyson Humidifier is 99.9% bacteria-free.
Now, let's see the features of this great product. And these are editor rating for this product.